Twilio Flex with Copilot. Here we can see a web chat interaction that has come into the contact center and been assigned to an agent. The message appears on the screen for the agent to review, and they can also see automated canned responses down the side and traits that have been pulled through via connection to Segment CDP. Using these traits, the agent can either type in their own message, or they can utilize AI-based Agent Copilot features to automatically generate a response. When the customer responds, the agent can again use an AI-based templated response. Or they can even use additional tools to remix that response and include traits that are already known about the customer from the CDP to create a much more personalized response that matches the tone that the business is trying to project. The agent can also refresh responses if they're not happy with the one that comes up. And of course, they have the ability to go ahead and edit the response to make sure that it properly fits the recommendations that they're trying to give. In order to help speed up standard processes, conversation cards are created to help the agent drag and drop in typical interactions. This could be anything like booking an appointment, resetting a password, updating card details, or even checking on flight information. These cards can be hooked into other applications to pull through real-time data and present that information to the customer without the agent having to log into multiple different applications to try and find that information themselves. At the end of the chat, Flex Agent Copilot is able to review the conversation and generate a summary, which can then be used for quality assurance and reporting later on.